we're back from the pause that we made for the information info, and now this is time to see what Stripes is going to do here. And Lucky's still asleep. He didn't wake up yet. And let's wake him up now.
Wake up, boy.
Wake up, boy.
And here's Stripes again, back for another video, which he's probably going to be sucking on the blanket the whole time. But whatever. Hey, wake your brother up. Wake up, Lucky. This is our other cat. That scratched me on the head and almost made me bleed the other day. But whatever, these two are brothers. And this one sleeps a lot, this one sucks on the blanket a lot. We're just going to let them do their own thing now. And I'm going to get out this camera shot. Oh, well.
He always runs away.
Come back, please. We need you out of the bathroom. He went in the bathroom today. Really, Lucky? Look, Lucky's going to sleep. Already. Wait a second.
So, we hope you like this video that he does again. Hope you like this video. Welcome to the next time on Alexia and the Cats. Goodbye.